are we ready for the next pandemic and what will happen? We have pandemics since thousands of years. In the last 20 years, we even have so many outbreaks. Is it possible to say that we are going to have another pandemic in the future? Yes, 100% sure another pandemic will come. What will be the government response? What will be the social response? It will all depend whether we have a vaccine or not. If we have a vaccine, then it's a matter of logistics. If we don't have a vaccine, then it's an unknown. Social response will be guided by what we have learned in the past, what we have learned 600 years ago. Face mask, social distancing, quarantine, isolation. We will do the same as during the COVID-19 lockdown, if it is a little unknown. So this is going to happen, and probably even before I die, unfortunately.